Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of our research and teaching aptitude which are asked in episode 2020. Okay friends, in our previous class we have seen 20 questions friends. Now let us continue 21st question. Okay friends, let us see. Question: which of the following method is not based on probability? Okay, so see, simple random sampling, stratified sampling and clustered sampling. Okay, these three samplings are based on probability friends. Okay, so in the question they asked about the method which is not based on probability. Okay, so this quota sampling, okay, quota sampling method is not based on probability, so our option is C friends. Okay, next question: initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research. Okay, so to perform or to pursue the research, so initial mandatory requirement is, see, developing research design, formulating research design. So in order to develop a research design, it is mandatory to formulate a research design, no? So when compared to A, B is the initial mandatory requirement. Next, deciding procedure for data analysis. Next, formulating a research hypothesis. Of course, these steps are also involved. Of course, these are requirements for pursuing a research, but this is the initial and mandatory requirement for pursuing a research. So, formulating research design is the initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research. Next question: ethical norms in research do not involve guidelines for. Okay, so in research ethical norms do not involve guidelines for thesis format. Okay, see, ethical norms in research involve guidelines for means copyright, okay, patenting policy, data sharing policies. These three are the ethical norms in research and they involve guidelines. Okay, but this thesis format, okay, it does not comes under ethical norms in research. Okay, next question: in which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? Okay, see, means of course here they have given the four activities. So among these activities, which activity okay gives nurturing for creative and critical thinking in relatively greater extent? Okay, first one, preparing research summary. Okay, next, presenting a seminar paper. Next, participation in research conference. Next, participation in a workshop. Of course we know friends, if we participate in a workshop means we have to, means our involvement is very important in workshop. So because of our active involvement, because of our active involvement and our interest, we can think critically and creatively. So that participation in a workshop, okay, gives greater creative and critical thinking. So our option is D friends. Okay, next, see, next, see, here they have given 1, 4, 12, 32, 80, 192 and we have to find the next number. Okay, see, this is just a simple tricky thing friends. Just see, just we have to analyze and observe this. That's it. See, 2 power 0 into 1, we know anything power 0 is 1 also. 1 into 1, 1, so this one. Next, 2 power 1 into 2, so 2 to 4. 2 power 2 means here we are increasing the power for 2 friends. See, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. And of course here also we are increasing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we got 1, here we got 4, 12, 32, 80, 192, and the next one is 2 power 6 into 7. So 2 power 6 means 64. So 64 into 7, 448. So 448 is our answer. Okay, option A is correct, friends. Next, see, here they have given, see, before going to solve these type, it is it is better to write alphabets in this manner, friends. Okay, see, A Z. So see, A Z. Next, G T. Okay, G T. Next, M N, M N. So if we observe these two joint letters, then we will come to know that here they have given reverse spades or the opposite letters, or we can call it as reverse spades. So A and Z, okay, G T and M N. So next, Y B, they also given Y B. So we have to find this. So see, in between A and G, okay, yeah, in between A and G we have to count the number of letters. So 1 2 3 4 5 letters. So 5 letters exist in between A and G. In the same manner, in between the Z and M, so here is the G and here is the M. If we count the number of letters 1 2 3 4 5, so the same thing here also, the 5 letters are present in between G and M. Okay, next, in between M and the next letter 5 letters should be present. So we have to count the next 5 letters. So 1 2 3 4 5. So next is S. So the inverse pair or the opposite letter to S is H. So SH is our answer, friends. So here we will get SH. Next, we have to leave 5 letters. So 1 2 3 4 5. So our next letter is Y, and the reverse pair of Y is B. So YB. So our answer is this one. Yes, H, friends. Okay. Next, see, in certain code language, if truth is written as like this, so truth is written in this manner. Okay. Then false is written in that language as, so truth is written in this way. So based on this, how false can be returned in the same language? That is a question, friends. Okay. So I already told that before gonna solve these type of questions, it is better to write alphabets. Okay. See, here we have written the alphabets. See, first for truth they have given. So TRUTH. So TRUTH. See, here for T they have given SU. So we had to observe the T, friends. Okay, here is the T. So here they have given, means they have coded the T as S and U. So the letter which is, okay, means in between which two letters the T is present, S and U. So T is coded as SU. Next, R. Okay, R means here R is present. So the letter which is in front of R is Q, and the letter which is present after R is S. So Q and S. The same thing for U. So the letter which is present before to U is T. Okay, the letter which is present after U is V. So T and V. Okay, next for T. T means the letter which is present in front of T is S, and after T is U. Next for H. Okay, see, H, the letter which is present prior to H is G. Okay, the letter which is present after H is I. So G and I. So based on this, we can easily find the coding language for false, friends. Okay, first letter is F. So the letter which is prior to F is E. The letter which is present after F is G. So EG. Okay, EG. Next, A. A means the letter which is present prior to A is Z, and after A is B. So ZB. Okay, ZB. Next, L. L means the letter which is present prior to L is K, and the letter after L is M. So K and M. Next, S. Okay, the letter prior to S is R, and the letter after S is T. Okay, so see, R T. Next, E. The letter which is present prior to E is D. So the letter which is present after E is F. So D and F. So this is the coding language and this is the correct. Okay, next, find odd things. Okay, here they have given the 4 options and asked us to find the odd thing or the odd number. Okay, friends, see, if you observe this, these numbers are multiplied by one or more numbers, but see, this is the prime number. This number is not divided by any other number, friend. So this is odd. Okay, next. See here also the same thing, friends. Among these four we have to find the odd thing. Okay, see. Okay, here if we observe this, if we add the first three numbers, then here we are getting the fourth number. Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. So here we got fourth number by adding the first three numbers, like 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, the same thing, friends, here also. If we add the first three numbers, so 5 plus 1 plus 2, that is 8. So here the fourth letter is 8. The same thing, friends, here also. If we add the first three numbers, so 7 plus 0 plus 2, that is 9. So here the fourth letter is 9. Here if we add the first three numbers, here we are not getting the fourth number. See, if we add the first three numbers, means 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6, but here they have given the 4. So here odd thing or the odd option is D. Okay, hope you understood. Yes, next question. Takshashila University in ancient India was famous for medical school, friends. Okay, just try to remember this, friends. Okay, Takshashila University in ancient India is famous for medical school. Next, conventional teaching. Okay, conventional teaching. Actually, these are the 4 points which are related to conventional teaching. That's why here just I have represented like this. Okay, just try to remember the points, and these points are related to conventional teaching. Okay, the main objective is to pass in the examination. So this is a one okay, this is one of the objective of conventional teaching. Okay, the main objective is to pass in the examination. Next, very cheap and cost effective. Next, brick and mortar classrooms. Next, this conventional teaching is also called as customary learning and okay, back to basics. Okay, these are the points which are related to conventional teaching, friends. Okay, next, which of the following conferences were held to discuss the environmental education? Okay, of course, these four are the international conferences, friends. See, this is Tbilisi conference, Belgrade conference, Bombasa conference, and Nevada conference. Okay, among these three, okay, three are related to environmental education, like Tbilisi, okay, Tbilisi or Tbilisi conference, and Bombasa conference, Nevada conference. These three conferences were held to discuss about the environmental education. Okay, so 1, 3 and 4 are our options. Okay, next answers. Next, which of the following commission suggested for the establishment of UGC? UGC means what? University Grant Commission. So which of the following commissions are suggested for the establishment of UGC? Okay, so this is Radhakrishnan Commission, friends. So this is the direct question. Okay, so Radhakrishnan Commission, okay, of course, I think this is in 1948, I think this commission came forward. Okay, so this Radhakrishnan Commission suggested for the establishment of University Grant Commissions. Okay, next. Okay, writing diary by a person is an example for. Okay, see, means writing diary by a person is an example for. We know that this is the personal communication, because writing diary is a personal thing. So it is a personal communication. Okay, so that our answer may be A or D. Okay, A is interpersonal and D is intrapersonal. Inter means in between two, intra means within the. So we ourselves or writing the diary, no. So this is a intrapersonal communication. So writing diary comes under intrapersonal communication. Okay, next step. See, this is just based on the communication, friends. We know that communications are of so many types, like meta communication, downward, upward, lateral, personal. Okay, so here they have given a statement and asked us to find whether the communication comes under either meta or downward or lateral or the personal. Okay, see, the captain said to the soldier, okay, see, you are sober in your night duty. What kind of communication it is? It is downward communication, friends. If you have doubt, just go through the Google and search about all these things, friends. Okay, next. According to Hicks, which of the following affects communication? See, friends, whenever we hear the word Hicks, then we had to get the term channel into our mind, friends. Okay, according to Higgs, which of the following affects communication? So the channel, okay, the channel affects the communication. Okay, next, what are the differences between mass media and social media? Okay, these are the three statements they had given. So just we had to find the correct statement, friends. Okay, see, mass media and social media, these two are different, no? So both are synonyms. First statement they have given both are synonyms. This is the wrong statement, friends, because these are not synonyms, right? Yeah, because they are different, no? Yes. Next, audience or the center in social media, of course this is correct. Next, mass media puts audience in passive position, of course, friends, because mass media means bulky, means so many people are present. So in mass media, audience may be in passive position, they may not be in active position, no? So that 2 and 3 are correct. Next, see, which of the following or meaning of communication? Okay, first let us read the statements. Okay, it is a foundation of cooperative group activity. Okay, so it is a foundation of group activity. So this is correct. Okay, next, transfer of idea from source to receiver. Yes, communication means just the transfer of idea from source to receiver. So this is also correct. Next, it is a form of agreement. No, friends, this is not the correct statement. Communication is not a form of agreement. No, yes. Next, silence is also a form of communication. Some people may get doubt that how the silence is also a form of communication. Means, see, if in a classroom, if some people or means usually the students usually makes a lot of noise, no, like kids. So whenever a teacher enters the classroom and he starts observing the students silently, then the students become active and they used to maintain silence, no? So here the silence is also a form of communication, no? So that 1, 2 and 4 are the correct answers, friends. Next, okay, friends, now I want to discuss about the most important commission, friends, that is Kothari Commission. Okay, Kothari Commission, friends. Okay, okay, this is in year 1964 to 66. Okay, about this commission I want to tell the most important 3 points, friends. Okay, Kothari Commission, you may pronounce it as your wish, friends. Okay, next, it is related to educational and national development report. Okay, this Kothari Commission is also called as educational commission. Okay, so educational and national development report. Okay, this is recommended common school system. So it means that this commission recommended common school system. Next, development of programs for free and compulsory education. So free education and compulsory education. Next, freedom to the teachers. So freedom is very important, right? Yeah, so academic freedom to teachers. Next, use of regional language, implementation of three language formula, equal access to education, publication of textbooks, fixing number of seats on basis of available resources. So these are the most important point about the Kothari Commission. Let's see again, friends. Okay, Kothari Commission, it is from 1964 to 1966. Educational and National Development Report. Educational and National Development Report is also called as Education Commission recommended common school system. So it is related to the development of programs for free and compulsory education, academic freedom to teachers, use of regional language, implementation of three language formula, equal access to education, publication of textbooks, fixing number of seats on basis of available resources, friends. Next, I want to tell one more important, that is, see, Mudaliar Commission. This is also most important, friends. Okay, Dr. Mudaliar. Okay, Mudaliar Commission 1952 to 1953. This Mudaliar Commission is also known as Secondary Education Commission. This is important, friends. Okay, Mudaliar Commission means Secondary Education Commission. So it recommends the establishment of multi-purpose schools, 3-year secondary and 4-year higher secondary system. So 3-year secondary and 4-year higher secondary system. Okay, this Mudaliar Commission is also very important for the competitive exams. That's why I have mentioned these points, friends. Okay, this Mudaliar Commission is from 1952 to 1953. It is also known as Secondary Education Commission. Secondary Education Commission. This we had to highlight, friends. Okay, next. So it recommended the establishment of multi-purpose schools, 3-year secondary and 4-year higher secondary system. Next, friends, last but most important, friends. Okay, Dr. Radhakrishnan Committee. Okay, Dr. Radhakrishnan Committee. It is from 1948 to 1949. Okay, so it is related to University Education Commission. Okay, University Education Commission. It recommended the use of selection procedure, ceiling limit on number. Okay, next, working hours of faculty for college and universities. Okay, so this is related to these friends. Okay, next, incorporated religious education in degree programs. Okay, so in degree programs they incorporate the religious education. Next, medium of instruction to be regional language along with the subject of national language and English. Okay, so this point is also important, friends. Okay, so these points comes under the Radhakrishnan Committee. Okay, so the medium of instruction to be regional language along with the subject of national language and English. Okay, next, encouraged women education. Okay, these points are also very important, friends. So these points comes under the Dr. Radhakrishnan Committee. Hope you understood this, friends. Thank you.